Start by sucking the machine down. It's going to get a little loud. Use something to block off the inlet. Locate your motor deck screws. Remove your motor. Remove the ground wire from your motor. You can just place that aside. I already took the 2 screws out for my filter ring when the machine was sucked down. Just removing the braided ground wire that's going to go down to your inlet, and remove the filter ring. You can place that aside. Your filter is going to be contaminated, so gloves and respirators are important at this stage. Just slides right out. You can pull all these pleats out. Installing the new filter. Remembering to find this ground wire. We want that sitting above the top side of the filter. The goal here is to get this metal ring to sit down in this little relief there. We'll give it a little help lining it up. All right, now just get it nice and centered down there. Pull your wire around, let that sit there nicely. Grab your filter ring. 1 per pleat. All right. Now there's a little bit of fabric here. We're just going to give it a little help to get that ring sitting down in that groove. Perfect. Reinstall your ground wire now. We'll throw the motor deck back on top. Don't worry about the motor deck ground wire right now. We're going to turn the machine back on and close off the inlet. Now I'm just going to pop the motor deck back off. I want to make sure that that filter is seated in there properly. Just going to look around the edges. You'll very clearly be able to tell if that metal wire is not in its little groove. Now that we know that that's seated properly, I'll go ahead and reinstall the motor deck. Connect to my ground wire. Turn it back on, close off the inlet. That's all there is to it, folks.